Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tint a Volkswagen Jetta. First, always check your local regulations regarding window tint percentages to ensure compliance. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a sharp utility knife, a squeegee, and a heat gun. A clean work area is crucial, so thoroughly clean both the inside and outside of your windows before applying any film. This preparation prevents dust and debris from getting trapped under the tint. Accurate measurements are key for a professional finish. Measure each window carefully, then cut your tint film a bit larger than the glass to allow for trimming. This extra margin helps you achieve a perfect edge. Before application, spray a generous amount of slip solution onto the window. This solution lets you slide the film into the ideal position, making adjustments much easier before the final squeegee process. Once your film is cut, generously spray both the window and the adhesive side of the film with your slip solution. Carefully place the film onto the window, then use your squeegee to push out all the water and air bubbles, working from the center outwards. For curved windows, a heat gun is essential. Gently heat the film to shrink and mold it perfectly to the glass contours, ensuring a smooth, bubble-free finish. After the film is perfectly positioned and squeegeed, use a very sharp utility knife to carefully trim any excess film along the window's edges. Take your time to ensure a clean, professional cut. It's crucial to allow the tint to cure completely, typically for 3 to 5 days, before rolling your windows down. This prevents the film from peeling or bubbling. Also, for other great deals and that awesome sock link, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.